Lingfen Cooling is a professional and global supplier of commercial refrigeration equipment, committed to providing reliable and energy-efficient cooling solutions for customers worldwide. With over 15 years of industry experience, we specialize in the design, production, and export of a wide range of refrigeration products, including beverage display coolers, cake display cabinets, chest freezers, upright freezers, cold rooms, and customized refrigeration solutions. Our products are widely used in supermarkets, bakeries, cafes, restaurants, convenience stores, hotels, and cold storage projects. In addition, our refrigeration equipment is extensively applied in beverage factories, bottled water plants, alcohol and liquor production facilities, ice cream factories, and frozen food processing plants. With stable quality and consistent performance, our products have been successfully exported to more than 60 countries, serving diverse commercial and industrial applications. Supported by an experienced engineering team and modern production facilities, Lingfen Cooling continuously improves product performance in cooling efficiency, temperature stability, energy saving, and durability. Our manufacturing processes strictly follow international quality standards, and our products comply with major certifications such as ISO, CE, CB, RoHS, and ETL, ensuring safety and reliability for different markets. With strong OEM and ODM capabilities, we offer flexible customization options, including cabinet size, temperature range, color, logo, voltage, and packaging. Through optimized supply chain management and efficient production management, we help customers achieve a better balance between quality and cost. We follow the philosophy of quality first, customer-oriented and long-term cooperation. We sincerely welcome customers worldwide to visit our factory and look forward to building stable and successful partnerships.